Storm Team Weather. Here's Chief Meteorologist Aaron Ayers, sponsored by Jim Bass Cars and Trucks.
Well, we've officially made it to freezing here in San Angelo. We're just waiting on that moisture to make it here to the Concho Valley because in the days to come, we've got winter weather overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Travel impacts are likely for us on our Tuesday morning. Freeze likely tonight, so if you haven't pulled your plants in, time to do it. Last minute, pull them in, because otherwise they're probably going to die in the freeze tonight. Nicer end of the week for us as we go towards Halloween. Let's take a look at where we got to today out at Mathis Field. We got to a high of 54 today. Early this morning, probably close to midnight before we got into the afternoon, because our low of 36 is what we actually saw this afternoon as temperatures dropped into the 30s. Average high is around 76 this time of the year. 91 is the record back in 1992. Low of 36 this morning. Low normally is around 51 degrees. A 30 is what our record was back in 1924 here in San Angelo. Temperatures currently across the Lone Star State: 18 up in Amarillo, 24 in Lubbock, 28 in Midland, 32 here in San Angelo, 30 in Abilene, where it's also snowing right now, 30 in Wichita Falls, 45 over in Austin, 79 down in Brownsville, finally starting to cool off down there in the southern part of the state tonight. Temperatures in the Concho Valley look like this: 28 up in Sterling City, 30 in Grape Creek, 32 here in San Angelo, 31 in Wall, 32 over in Eden, and then getting down into the upper 30s in Junction and Roosevelt, so seeing everywhere in the 30s. We've got winter weather alerts posted for the Concho Valley for the rest of this evening until 7 o'clock on Wednesday morning. We've got winter storm warnings posted for Sterling County and Coke County. That includes Robert Lee and Sterling City. Winter weather advisories for the counties in purple here, including Ozona, Mertzen, San Angelo, Ballinger, and Eden. So as we go through the days ahead, we're expecting some winter weather, some very cold weather, including a freeze potential for the areas in purple here from Ozona to San Angelo to Ballinger, and then a frost possible from southern Crockett County to El Dorado to Eden and on through portions of McCullough County, and a hard freeze is likely from Sterling City to Robert Lee. So some really cold temperatures for us here in the Concho Valley overnight tonight. Also, an impact from winter weather as we go into Tuesday morning, an elevated risk for the northern half of the Concho Valley from San Angelo to Ballinger to Robert Lee and Sterling City, including Mertzen and Eden, likely meaning that we could see some ice on some roadways, mostly elevated roadways such as Loop 306. Could see some elevated portions ice over. Think about bridges and stuff like that. The best idea in the orange area is not to travel if you don't have to. So please stay home if you do not have to travel tonight into early tomorrow morning. Temperatures across the state, again, in the teens in the northern half of the state, 30s here, and then 70s down towards the southern portion of the state. And as we track out our winter storm tracker here, we're going to start seeing moisture come into the area, and then we're going to start seeing temperatures come down close to 30 here in San Angelo. That's when we're going to start seeing things start mixing in and talking about possible even sleet here in San Angelo as we go into the morning, getting down into the 20s and then through the 30s. This is lunchtime tomorrow. Still talking about temperatures in the low 30s, below freezing by lunchtime, with still continuing to see mixed precipitation throughout the day on Tuesday. Into Wednesday, we start to warm up, turn to rain, and then the whole system moves out of here and we warm up and clear out as we go through the rest of our week. Currently looking at the statewide precipitation, you're seeing some of that wintry precipitation across the state line here into Oklahoma, and then some rain off towards the Dallas area, and then starting to see some of that moisture fill back in here across the Concho Valley. So we're continuing to watch for that potential, seeing some of those little sleet showers starting to pop up there in Schleicher County. So we're going to be watching that throughout the night. Another thing to watch for are temperatures and what it will feel like when you factor in those wind speeds of 15 miles per hour, feeling like 19 and 21 here across the Concho Valley. So if you're stepping outside, it's going to be really cold all the way through tomorrow. Let's get to tonight. We're getting down to around 30 degrees, rain and freezing rain, 70% chance of that. Winds out of the northeast at 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusting to 30 at times. And as we go into our Tuesday, 38 for a high, AM freezing rain. Winds out of the north at 10 to 15 miles per hour. The next 5 days here in the Concho Valley look like this for us. We're going to see that winter weather through Tuesday, maybe into Wednesday morning, and then the whole system moves out of here. We turn sunny as we go towards Halloween, and we warm back into the 60s and 70s for the days ahead. We'll have more KSAN News right after this.